Hi friends, I am Tammy Kay and welcome to Patreon. I'm so excited to be here because I was on here for 2 years and then last year I took a break and now I'm back and I'm excited to offer brand new content. So whether you have been here from way back in the day, and I thank you for that, or whether you're new or considering as a free member or paid member right now, I'm so excited that you are here and that you're watching the video. I wanted to give you an overview of what I do here, what my mindset is, and the tiers that I offer. So I am a mental health therapist, I'm a watercolorist, and I love art, and I love mixing together self-care with watercolor, with sketching. You're taking some time to lower your stress levels, to boost your mood, and just help your nervous system to reset and be more calm when you're creating something with your own hands. So expressing yourself through painting is a beautiful thing, and I am here to help facilitate that. So within all of my videos, with my live streams, with everything that I do on here, the mindset is to let go of perfectionism in your art. We are not here to make a perfect painting. This is something I painted this morning. There are things that I love, and there are things that I could change and do differently next time. But let's not throw out the whole painting experience because we didn't like the end result. I want you to enjoy the process. So here are the things that I offer. For the first tier, enjoy the journey. It's going to be all about the archives, all of the past content on this channel. But also, I will have a sketchbook tour. It's for all tiers, and you're included in this. And so you get to see my process, the techniques, what I did, what I would do differently, where I got my inspiration, and hopefully that can help you. Also, I talk about what I didn't like, and that might help encourage you as you're looking at your paintings to be able to see what did go well and how you learned something. So then also we have for our tiers in the Just Breathe category, we have a live class on a monthly basis. So our Zoom class, we usually do 2 paintings and it goes 60 to 90 minutes. It's kind of been on the longer side. There is a replay if you cannot join live, but it's great because we can see each other, we can talk, we can communicate, we can share what we're doing, you can ask questions, and we can show our art at the end of the class. So that is available for this tier and up. Another thing, as part of this tier in the Just Breathe and up, you will get access to a monthly tutorial. And so I go through step by step, something that I painted that I was inspired by. Sometimes I'll do mixed media, sometimes it'll be just watercolor, and then you can paint along and learn from that. Now, something that's very exciting, I used to offer some type of art mail, but this time it's a little different. So the first one is, it's your art mail, it's an envelope, and it's to practice mindfulness. So all of these are about mindfulness, being present, thinking about what you can see, smell, taste, touch, and hear. So often we are busy, we are upset about the past or depressed about it, or we're anxious about the future. And we're not really here in the moment. So when someone's talking to us, our kids are smiling at us, we're not really thinking about it. We're somewhere else. So this helps to train your brain to focus on the here and now. So there's going to be a mindfulness letter and a prompt to be able to practice something very simple that helps you think about the here and now. There's going to be a bookmark and some stickers for you also, and sometimes a bonus thing depending on what I have. If I have something to throw in, a little extra surprise. Now for the second level, it is the Art Mindfulness Package. So it's art mail, but a little bit more involved. So all the things I mentioned, but you're also going to get a couple different mindfulness objects, some prompts with the letter and the prompt that you can actually use. And that'll help you to practice being in the moment. You're also going to get either 2 bookmarks from me. These are all hand painted, or a hand painted card from me too. I forgot there was an art print with the art mail too for all the levels, and some type of art mail, art print that has on the back a little line so you can put, make it a postcard and send it to someone. And then for the final level, you get all the things we mentioned, but you also get a painting from me. The size will vary, but it's going to be an original, hand painted and signed by me. So if you're interested in signing up, you can click the link and join us. I am so glad that you are here. You might be a free member and you're here because you will get updates and all these things too. But if you ever have any questions, send me a message. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it so much. Happy painting and happy mental health.